Hello everyone, welcome back to all of you in my YouTube channel Sandhya ki classes, and my name is Sandhya. And friends, if you are new over here, so please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. In this video I will tell you how to speak English easily, how to learn this language easily. So if you want to become a good speaker, if you want to learn this language easily, so you will have to follow my tips, because in this video I will tell you some tips and my tips is here. But first of all, I would like to say that English takes time and practice. So if you want to learn this language, you will have to follow my tips. So my first tips is listening is very important part of this language. So if you want to listen any video, so you can watch video on the YouTube. And because nowadays mm, a lot of platform are available here, you can join, and you can watch TV show in English and cartoons in English, and you can watch blogs in English. So you have listened some conversation video and blogs video. What type of video you like, you can watch, and you can learn this language easily. Apart from this, you can record your self speaking, and after that you can listen it. Suppose if you are making any mistake, so next time definitely you can correct your mistake. You can take your mobile and you can search on the Google, and you can correct your mistake yourself. So in my opinion, you should watch conversation video and blogs video, and you should record yourself speaking. Okay friends, and next is you can communicate with the native speakers, because we are not foreigner, so we will have to communicate with foreigner. It's mean with the native speakers, so we can communicate with native speakers, then we can learn this language easily. And apart from this, you can listen audio in English, you can listen you can join any conversation group, because nowadays lot of group are available where you can join and you can communicate with the people. Because nowadays most of learners are learning on the Skype app and on the Joe Stock. So you can use Joe Stock and you can join Skype app. On the Skype app you can find lot of student or learners or beginners to learning this language, because on the Skype app most of people are learning there. So you can join conversation group and you can communicate there. And now next is, if you want to become a good speaker, so you will have to speak more and more. Definitely you can learn this language easily, because as I mentioned you, this language takes time and practice. So you will have to practice more and more. And you can read your children book, and you can join any English club. Apart from this, you can read any storybook, because if you want to become a good speaker, so you will have to create a story in your mind, then you can learn this language easily. And apart from this, if you want to become a good speaker, so without afraid you should speak. Don't think what will be happen if you speak you will speak wrong. Don't think. Ignore those people who always make fun of you, who always laugh at you. So ignore those people. You will have to speak only. Start speaking with short sentence. Okay, friends, it will be better. And as I mentioned you, you can join Skype app. So this application is free of cost. You can join and you can download it and you can join it easily, because on the Skype app you can find lot of student and it's free of cost totally. So you can join it. And friends, if you want to speak English, then you will have to start with short sentences, like small sentences. When you will speak, definitely you can learn this language. This language is not difficult. This language is very easy, but you will have to focus on this language. Without focusing, you can't learn this language. So that's why I am saying you, if you want to learn this language, if you want to speak English, so you will have to focus on your English speaking. After that you can learn this language easily. Okay friends. Okay friends, then if you like my video, then please like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching my video.